when I get 1000 subscriber, at the time I get email from YouTube creator, and the YouTube creator sent this email to me. This is an email from YouTube creator. Here, Lal Kumar Chaudhary, we always knew day come and hope did you bring. And this, congratulations banana. Oh, this banana, and this is bananas. Oh, then share Facebook and Twitter. So in this way, after you get the 1000 subscriber, you will get this email from YouTube. But before 2 days, I have no 4000 watch time, 4000 hours watch time. So today I get 4000 watch time. So I go to this my channel and I'm going to YouTube Studio. This is YouTube Studio. Now I have 1089 subscriber. So scroll down, there is a monetization. Here is the option. You see here 4058 public watch hour and 1090 subscriber. So there is an option. If it's not complete, you will not get this apply now button. So now I'm now going to apply now. What is coming is channel monetization, review partner program terms, read an agreement YouTube partner programs. This is the agreement makes it possible to earn money. So start now. Subscription revenue, you will pay 55% of the total net revenue recognized by YouTube from subscription fee that are attributed to monthly view watch time. Payment account requirement, payment terms, limitation and tax. Terminate, either party may terminate these terms for convenience within 30 days prior return notice to their other included via electronic means. YouTube may either suspend, terminate your participation in YouTube partner program immediately upon return notice, including via electronic means. Government law and dispute the resolution provision of the YouTube terms and service. Miscellaneous capitalization terms using not and this. I accept your terms and condition. Little bit reset here. Okay. Email me updates, announcement, and personalized tips and help you grow my channel. Okay, now accept this one. This is done. Sign up for Google AdSense. You need to AdSense account, start monetization, get paid. Yes, I have existing account. No, I don't have existing account. Continue. Using Lal Kumar Chaudhary. Get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestion. Select your country or territory. Saudi. It represents that you are administrator of the account. AdSense make easy. We do not work, so you do not have automate ad on your site across all devices. Together. Individual. Address 1. Submit. Redirect to your host. Okay. Get review. YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with YouTube monetization policy. We will email you to decision. Usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. Now my process complete, so it's pending to monetization if Google approval. So in this way your monetization apply process complete. YouTube monetization, I apply this message. I will apply yesterday. Then at night I get message, hi Lal Kumar, you got has passed 1000 subscribers, 4000 public watch hours in last months. So requirement of YouTube partner program. I get this message within 24 hours. You see, yesterday 9:17, this is I yesterday get this message. Today I get another message, congratulations, you have been approved to join the YouTube partner program. So I open this one. This is I get today this one. Within 24 hours I get this congratulation message. So I'm going to now my YouTube dashboard. Okay, go there. Then after here, congratulations, you have been accepted into YouTube partner program. You have to monetize your video and accept supports. Monetize, going to monetize video. I click these buttons. Now get this pop-up option, set monetization preference. Do you want to monetize existing video? Be sure you have to comply advertising. If you are not sure, turn on monetize for each video separately. Intentionally misrepresenting your content can lead to your channel being reviewed for YouTube partner program. Okay, all this is overlay ads, sponsored ads, two types ad. Skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads. Turn on ads during video. Apply. I check by default. So now I get option, this one. Before this option is not available before monetization. See, now there is option monetization. So now is updating video. If safe to navigate way, wait before making another bulk update. So on off. Oh, so this is options on and off. You can manually on off this video because now all update. Okay, in this way the video will monetization. Now ad Google AdSense are ready. And I finish. Okay, so now I'm going to channel. youtube.com. So I check now. Gmail tips and tricks. Okay, 2021. Now I check this video.
This is my video. It's pretty good, right?
See?
Well,
Now
it's
advertise
a little boring.
is running.
Can't you do something like this?
So in this way,
Well, I've
you
got a
can
logo for my
advertise.
coffee business. See? Sure, but your video still looks a little basic. Let me show you what people really want to see.
So in this way, you can within 2 minutes you can set advertise your video.
Editing software. There's a huge discount if you buy through this ad. And let's turn this into this.
This video. Okay, in this way, Google AdSense will be work over your YouTube video.